Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hi everyone, welcome to today's Practical
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彤，
我是 Emily，
我是石都华。
Yes, and all month long we are talking about public transportation. 我们这个月教的是大众运输的客家用语 ，and today we are going to talk about taking the train 坐火车。
没问题，我们就来换坐别的交通工具，坐火车。坐火车
Okay, so if you want to know what time does the train for 新竹 leave, 往新竹的火车几点开走？
去新竹嘅火車，
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 幾多點開？
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 去新竹嘅火車，幾多點開？ Okay,
Well, here we go. I love this part. Okay.
1, 2, 3. 去新竹嘅火車幾多點開？
Okay, wait, one more time.
Where do you go when I'm doing that?
I get caught right in the middle. Okay, one more time.
You're on your own.
All right.
去新竹嘅火車幾多點開？
去新竹嘅火車
幾多點開？
幾多點開？
All right, and 火車還有海陸腔。
火車，
火車。
火車
That's a different way of saying train in Hakka.
你說是火車對嗎？
火車也海陸腔。
Now, if they tell you the train will be 10 minutes late, 火車會慢10分鐘。
火車會慢，
火車會慢
火車會慢
10分鐘。
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 火車會慢10分鐘。
火車會慢10分鐘。Okay, now how do I get to platform 1? 1號月台怎麼走
1號月台
？1號月台。
1號月台。
兩班行
兩班行。
兩班行。
1號月台兩班行。
1號月台兩班行。
Yeah!
All right.
Whoa! Keep going! Yes. Okay.
All right.
Okay.
And-
Act like you've been there. Okay.
All right. Save your speech for later, because that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
師母大家，
漢字 say.
將來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.